Prose Hair is a customizable haircare brand that has revolutionized the traditional approach to hair maintenance. Utilizing a personalized hair assessment, Prose creates bespoke formulas tailored to the unique characteristics and needs of each individual. By completing a comprehensive online consultation, consumers input specific information regarding their hair type, personal habits, and lifestyle factors. This personalized approach allows Prose Hair to formulate products that target specific concerns, such as dryness, frizz, or damage. The innovation behind Prose Hair lies in its data-driven methodology. The company has developed a rich algorithmic engine that takes into account over 85 different factors, including environmental influences like climate and pollution, biological elements such as hair texture, and personal preferences. Subscribe to the channel to encourage us to continue producing videos like this. Like and comment on upcoming video topics. This approach ensures that no two formulations are alike, reflecting the individuality of each customer. Moreover, Prose has taken significant strides in the direction of sustainability and ethical sourcing. They emphasize eco-friendly packaging, with bottles that are both recyclable and biodegradable. Customers are given the option to adjust their formula as their hair needs change or as seasons shift, further reducing waste by ensuring that every drop of product is used effectively. Prose Hair epitomizes the convergence of technology, science, and personalization in consumer products. With its commitment to quality, innovation, and ethical practices, Prose Hair has not only set a new standard for hair care, but also redefined how consumers can engage with the beauty industry.